Hi, this is a quick user review of the TJUGO battery charger from Ikea. It's a battery charger for charging rechargeable batteries, and it takes AA or AAA size batteries. And I've owned this now for over a year. It's been through 2 Christmases. And we bought it originally because we're using a lot of battery charged Christmas lights, and therefore we have quite a lot of batteries. We bought this particular model because, first of all, it's Ikea, and there's a certain amount of trust when you're buying goods from Ikea. But the main selling factor for us was the fact that it takes 8 batteries. It charges 8 batteries at once, and that's pretty unusual. And it also charges a mixture of batteries, as I said before, AA or AAA batteries. And it doesn't matter about the mix. So you could, at the moment, for instance, I've got 6 AA batteries and 2 AAA batteries. You could take one of the AA batteries out and fit in a AAA battery, and it works just as well and continues charging, and there's no issue or problem with that whatsoever. And that's a really useful feature. So many torches and devices that you have 3 batteries rather than 2, and a lot of battery chargers that you buy will only charge in pairs. As soon as you put the thing, a battery in, and you plug it in, it's a 240 volt obviously, the flashing light tells you that it's now charging these batteries up. And once the batteries are charged, it'll shut down and go into standby and store your batteries. So you've always got batteries that are fully charged. The other nice function of this is that there's a warning light if one of your batteries is faulty. And I can show you that if I take out that battery and I put in this. This is an old one that got wet when it outside lights, and it's not going to do it, is it? It's going to bloody work. There we go. You can see it's flashing red. It's got a bad connector on that battery. There we go. And because I've put it in there before and fiddled about with it, it's just scratched through the rust on the battery. But you can see now there's a battery that's faulty, and that's the last one we put in, and therefore we know it's that one. If you put a load of batteries in and the red light comes on flashing, it's pretty simple to take them all out again and then put them in one at a time until you get the red light come up and warning you they've got a defective battery. It comes with, it's actually a nice little package. It stores really well, and in fact you can store it up on end if you want. There's no problem about doing that. And it comes with a book of words, which is pretty pointless because it's the operation is self-evident. It's a really simple thing, and we use it all the time. As I say, it's on all the time. Do I think you should buy it? Yeah, I do. It's say 15 quid. You have to buy batteries, and it'll work with Amazon batteries, and it'll work with other makes of battery. Again, there's no problem, as long as they're the right type, which are I forget how you say it now, but NIMH, whatever that is, NIMH, who cares? As long as you've got that on the battery, it'll work with them. Is it worth it? Yeah, I think it's a great little thing. We love it. And especially if you live in the country like we do, when it gets dark quite a lot. So I hope you find this little review worth it, and encourages you to buy one of these. So thanks for watching, and if you want to see more product reviews, please subscribe to the channel, and if you want to be notified when I do upload product reviews, please ring the bell. That's apparently a really good thing. Thank you for watching.